story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. You are going to love the 2017 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.